Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Rich Life Insider. Oh my god, Dogecoin is going down 39.21% in 1 month and 15.81% in 1 week and 3.67% in 24 hours. What's going on? Today we're going to talk about why Dogecoin is going down and why also the other cryptocurrencies are going down, and what do I think about the future of the cryptocurrency, why I think cryptocurrency is going to stay, and let's look at the price. 1 hour Dogecoin is 0.77%. But if you are thinking getting depressed because of the Dogecoin going down, let's look at it this way. 1 year it stayed up 5,885% in 1 year. It all is up 17,000, more than 70,000 at all time high. So basically Dogecoin could be going down 10 times to 0.002, 100 times, and Dogecoin could also go to $1. So it could be either way. The reason why it's so difficult to predict the Dogecoin is because it doesn't have any fundamental use. It doesn't have any use. It's only the only use is that it's a popularity. Because it's popular, people keep buying and selling, buying and selling. So the more people buy, the price gonna go up. The more people sell, the price gonna go down. So it really comes down to the interest in people. So we're gonna also talk about how the interest is like. Is the interest in cryptocurrency going down? So I'm gonna show you, and also what are the latest news that cause the cryptocurrency price to go down. Bitcoin price is 32,000. 32,000, so it's going down, but it's not. This is not the first time, and you need to know that Ethereum price is less than 2,000 right now. Bitcoin Cash is 465. This is not the first time because a lot of people jump into Bitcoin because it hit 60,000. So all these newbies investor did not experience the crypto winter, crypto crash 2-3 years ago. Now 2-3 years ago it happened before. Bitcoin crashed from 30,000 to 3,000. So this is not the first time, but anyone who had Bitcoin since then double their money in within 3 years, 3 to 5 years, within 3 to 5 years. So in my opinion, I think that Bitcoin could hit 20,000 before it goes to 100,000. It has a higher chance to hit 20,000 before it goes to 100,000. So my price breakout point is 42,000. So it's really important. If Bitcoin break out 42,000, it's most likely going to go higher. If not, it's gonna drag out all the other coin. So why did Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and cryptocurrency are going up? Police see record 249 million cryptocurrency in UK. As everybody know, China has started burning really seriously Bitcoin. So all the Bitcoin miners goes out of China to go to other countries to mine. So there's basically a lot of people get spooked, and not only that, US a few months ago, US was able to get back the ransom money in Bitcoin. They extort the money from the company. Hey, you either pay me or you're gonna lose your data. So it was good news that basically the US government was able to get back the money, but it looks like it's a bad news for the cryptocurrency trader, because everybody has been thinking cryptocurrency is private, you cannot trace it. So once you saw the news that the regulators, the police, CIA, FBI can get the cryptocurrency, so people don't feel safe. Don't feel safe. That's why they sold the cryptocurrency. So 249 million and British pound 180 million has been seized by London's Metropolitan Police, the biggest confiscation in the UK. And this is not the first time. This is after they got 114 million British pound and 158 million dollars in cryptocurrency in June. So this is part of the money laundering officers. The 39-year-old woman was arrested in June on suspicion of money laundering officers. So basically, they just try to confiscate the money from criminals. So in my opinion, this is a good news. If the governments, if the police are able to get back the money, or somehow able to get back the money, they're not gonna burn cryptocurrency 100%. If they are not able to do that, they're gonna burn cryptocurrency 100%. So in a way, this is a blessing in discuss. But as a lot of new investors came into the market, they got spooked. They saw the cryptocurrency is very very usual. So you could see the cryptocurrency volume are down, really really down. Trading volume pledges 40% in June, fell more than 40% in June. Trading volumes on Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, Bitstep fell more than 40%. That's a big drop, and it hit 28,900 in June, and trading volume 138 billion was down 42.3% from intra-month high in May. But are these all bad news? Not necessarily, but if you read it uh, carefully, volume stay higher than a year ago. Despite the dramatic drop in trading volume, it stayed much higher than it was last year. So it's stayed higher than in 2020. So that's a good news. That's a good news. So June volume stay ranks in the all top 5 months of volume ever recorded. So you need to look at things in perspective. Yeah, 40% drop was a big drop, but it stayed much higher than the 1 year before. June even ran in the top 5 months of the volume. So this is great news. And another reason I think that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are going to stay in some shape or form, is because look at this, the politics. The Wyoming elects first Bitcoin owner to U.S. Senate. So her name is Cynthia Loomis from U.S. Senate. Republican. She owns Bitcoin. She even advises buying Bitcoin for retirement because she see Bitcoin as a great store of value. It's just like the gold standard of the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. So gold people buy just because of store value. They believe that it's gonna rises up. It's a good hedge against inflation. That's why they buy it, not because it has so much use for it. They just buy because they just want to park their money over there. So Bitcoin is gonna be like that goal of the cryptocurrency. So is she the only one? No. So she's not the only one. A Tennessee congressman also reaps. He got rich on big Dogecoin back. Dogecoin, he bought 1,000 to 15,000 at the time, Dogecoin, and his return was 800% profit. So which means he 9 times the money, and also he bought those that he bought in April 11. Dogecoin that he bought in April 11 is 5 times his money. 5 times his money. So he's not the only one, but he's so after the SNL, Saturday Night Live, and he's not the only one. So basically, that Cynthia Loomis and also bought from Virginia, bought Goodlet. They also have their own cryptocurrency in Bitcoin. Most of the senator owns Bitcoin. Not most of them. I mean, these senator own Bitcoins, but the Mark Green is the one who is known to be owner of the Dogecoin, the first owner of the Dogecoin in Senate. So I believe there could be more senators or congressmen owning Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, one way or another. And Mark Green is known for the first senator to abolish the state income tax in Tennessee. So all these things you need to know. This is called lobbying. So that's the reason why it's very hard for U.S. to have a single payer universal healthcare, because pharmaceutical company, they put the money in. They put the money in the congressman to lobby for the Medicare, and also tobacco industry. So that's why we cannot ban tobacco 100%, because they lobby so much that not to ban tobacco, and not even to put so much tax on it. So if more and more congressmen and House of Representatives, senators, they own cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, so 100% ban is not possible. It's not possible. So, and also remember, and you also need to think about the other way. So the other thing is that cryptocurrency is a threat to the central bank, because how does the government and Federal Reserve manage the economy? They increase the interest rate, decrease the interest, they print more money, or they pull out more money from the economy. So these four ways are the only ways that they manage the economies. So if everybody is using cryptocurrency, it will be really hard for them to print money. No, it will be really hard to manage the economy. So that's the threat. That's the threat. So they don't like it. They don't like anything that they don't have any controls. That's why the U.S. Abolished the gold standard, gold to U.S. dollar peg, back in Richard Nixon. They abolished that. So then they can start bringing more money for that. So that they definitely don't like cryptocurrency for that. So it's really interesting. They bring more money. A lot of people start buying gold and cryptocurrency and everything. But gold are stay. Gold stay. They did not burn the gold totally. But people can stay trade gold. But it's really there will be some form of regulation. We still need to see from governments around the world, UK, US, around the world, see how it's gonna be. So personally, I invest only what I can afford to lose. I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. This is not the first time crypto winter happens. So only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency stays a very nascent industry. Internet became existed in 1980. So only after 20-30 years in 2020, a lot of people start using online shopping. So there are a lot of users coming at the beginning of internet. Not many people know how to use it, and not a lot of people know how to use it, and there were only few users for internet. Now we got so many users, like online shopping, stock trading, everything. A lot of people are getting used, but still there's a lot of parts of the world that don't have access to internet. So cryptocurrency is very only 12 years old, so it's very nascent. There could be a lot more users in future. So if there are more users, better users, a lot of people are gonna invest in cryptocurrency. So in my opinion, it's here to stay. But we need to watch out for the regulation. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video, like this video, comment below if you watch and take it yet, which state, which country you are from. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.